Yo, Monster Club, what's better than one unboxing? How about two? That's what we have in today's video. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohart and the king of the beach himself. Of course, I am the Party Monster. Back in the House of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, we got a double, yes, two unboxings from Go. Actually, just picked both of these up. Should have been a triple unboxing, but unfortunately the seller never shipped the shoe, which kind of sucks because it was definitely a shoe I was anticipating showing you guys. Like, I was so hyped on this shoe, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning just to drive to my bank, put money in my account, just to purchase the shoe because I saw it for a steal. And yes, the seller backed out, so yeah, bummer. But one day I will get that shoe and it will be on this channel. But Roshan, let's take the toast out of the way. Here's to the Monster Club. You guys are the best club on the planet. Whew, I needed that. And yes, for those that don't know, your boy's getting ready for vacation in 2 days. Thankfully, like 90% of my shifts have been covered at my job. I don't like calling out. I like making money. I rarely call out, but I don't know. Hopefully someone can pick up this last shift and everything so I can thoroughly enjoy my vacation because I don't like worrying about things while I'm on vacation because it's my time to enjoy myself. You guys are actually hanging out with me on my one rare true day off. Thought about going to watch baseball, but probably won't because honestly I was just going for the free t-shirt. But at the end of the day, I won't probably even wear it. So what's the point of doing all that? And I don't like even being tempted this close to vacation to spending excess money that I don't need to spend. So, oh, and I give it my shift tomorrow to kind of bargain for them taking my Sunday. So yeah, a lot of moving pieces right now, but will I probably still be put on tomorrow? Sure, I'm to go to the restaurant game, so we'll see how that works out. But another quick drink, and yeah, let's have a good time in this video. And like I mentioned a couple of times, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit it and everything. We are so close to 500 subscribers. I would have loved to have gotten it by Saturday so I could have done the unboxing out on vacation, but it is what it is. It didn't happen, or it hadn't happened yet. I'll just say it like that because you guys still have some time. Y'all can just go bananas and just start crushing that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and you guys have done it a couple of times this year, so you never know. I'm always optimistic. But anyways, I don't have to talk to your guys' ear off enough already, but let's get right into it. Let's have some fun. Oh, yeah, and your boy is going to be speaking with the creators of Beatbox the 18th at 7 o'clock. So, yeah, I'm actually going to be doing a live stream event while I'm on a live event. So, you guys are going to be watching me live do the live events. You guys get what I'm trying to say, I hope. But, yeah, it's basically I'm going to be going live while you watch me go live. So, that should be fun, and I'm looking forward to that next week. Again, the 18th. Come hang out and watch your boy talk to the Beatbox crew. Like, it's gonna be a fun time, and we're gonna be on vacation, so why not? But anyway, one more quick drink. But anyway, we have the first unboxing, and I know exactly what's inside both these packages and everything. But this one, I might need to explain a little bit, so I'm gonna get this one done first. And like you saw in the title, we got a Jordan under retail. Literally paid $100 for the shoe. Actually, not even that. I actually paid $80 for the shoe. The tax brought it to $100. But anyway, we got the first of two shoes, and it is the Jordan Mocha 1s, and my true size of a size 9. And yes, as you guys can see, there's a lot going on with this shoe, but I bought them specifically for that reason. Let me get the other shoe. As you guys can see, this shoe looks significantly better than the other one. However, check out the bottoms. Yes, they have been worn to death. But in my head, I know I can save these. We can fix these. Size 9 Jordan Mochas for $80. I'll put in the work. We'll clean these bad boys up, and that will be a future video. Again, that's 100% the reason why I bought these. I might even throw these on at the beach as a beater. I don't know. Just kind of get some wear out of them and everything. And for those that are curious, your boy is actually selling a dead stock pair of these on GOAT or on my reselling page at Walkoff Brand. If you haven't followed that, go follow it. I'll leave the link somewhere in the video and everything. But yes, if you want these dead stock, size 10.5, shoot your boy an offer and they'll be yours. Not this one because these clearly aren't dead stock. But yeah, I'm super excited to finally have this shoe in my true size. Y'all don't know how much of a pain it is to have a shoe that you really love, which is the Mocha for me, and you can't wear them. Like, I only bought them because the sneaker app actually gave me a W for that one random time. Y'all know how the sneakers app is. Terrible. But we got something else. And these aren't like in that condition. Like, these are a different breed, and I'm so excited. This is going to be a beach shoe. Like, just know that they're goated to be on my beach vacation rotation as I screw up this box. Again, I hope y'all are all having a great day. Cheers to the Monster Club being the best. I don't have taken like, give me all like 3 cheers in this video, but it's what it is. And if you think I drink a lot just at home, y'all ain't ready for vacation Party Monster. Like, he wild. And I'll probably be filming a couple of videos today. Just I have something to show you guys next week. And probably the following week, which is my birthday week, I'm going to give you guys my whole beach vacation and everything. Like, again, follow me on all my social medias. I'm going to leave them all in the link below. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Like, you guys are going to get the full experience of the Party Monster. But anyways, you guys kind of already saw it already. But here's the box. So I think you already know what shoe is inside this box, but I'm going to show you guys it nonetheless. It is the Air Jordan 4 Retro. Description is black, fire red, cement gray. And this is a shoe that I was so on the fence about, I'm not going to lie. Because I have the original pair and I haven't really even worn them. But we got them right here. We got the reimagined Jordan 4. I know I'm super late to the game, but I finally have them in my possession. I definitely got a sick little fit for this one and everything. It's like they got like some paper glue and shit on my shoe and everything. But overall, this shoe's clean. I think I paid like $220 for them, which is about retail. So I ain't mad at it, honestly. No real creasing at the bottom. Got that good leather on here. Ooh, your boy's gonna be doing a review on these before I throw them on foot on vacation. So just know that you're gonna be seeing these very soon. That might be my video tonight. Who knows? I don't know. Here's the other one. God, this shoe is just, like, this shoe is phenomenal. I rock with it. For real, for real. Again, I do have the Jordan 4 Breads. I haven't worn my pair, but these are crazy. I can't wait till these on foot. Okay, guys, so there you have it. My 2 new pickups. Again, paid, what, $83 for these. $220 for these. At the end of the day, I'm excited about both shoes. Honestly, this could, just like they are now, just be my beater pair and everything. But again, we're going to be doing a full restoration of this shoe. Like, I'm excited to restore them to glory and everything, and happy things out here breaking necks this summer. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Definitely share it with a friend. Let's just keep sharing my videos and my channel and everything. Let's get it out there to the world. Let's let the Monster Club be heard and everything. But other than that, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on social media at PartyMonster1 on X and PartyMonster5 on Instagram. But other than that, until next video, remember this very special, important key to life. Don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.